Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to remove audio from a video. There can be several use cases where you want to remove audio from a video. Either you have created a video for vlogging and you want to remove audio from some part of that video, or you have downloaded a video from the internet and it has some audio which you want to remove, then you can use this technique to remove all kind of audios. Here for this demo, I have downloaded this video from the internet and it has some audio, and I will show you how I can remove audio from this video. First, I will preview this video so that you can also hear the audio present in it. Now let's try to remove audio from this video. To remove the audio, I will go to the storyboard card and then I will click on the volume button present on that card. The volume button present on the storyboard card will enable you to mute and unmute that particular storyboard card. After muting the card, let's verify it from the preview window. And here I can clearly see that the audio is now removed from my video. Now if you don't want to mute the video but you want to adjust the volume of your video, that also you can do using the same volume button from the storyboard card. One thing you should know that this volume button can only be used to adjust and mute the volume of the video which you have imported from the project library. That is the original video which you are editing. And it cannot be used to adjust the volume or mute unmute any background music which you have added from the video editor or any custom audio which you have added into the video editor. This is all about how can we remove the audio from a video. In our next video, we will see how to add BGM and we will see how to add custom audios, and there we will learn how to adjust volume and how to mute and unmute those audio.